Hi everyone. Here's a quick little tutorial on how to use PowerPoint as sort of a basic image editing tool. First thing we'll do is we'll open PowerPoint. And then the next thing I like to do is to start with a completely blank slide. Now to select everything on a slide, you have a few options. You can use the keyboard shortcut Control A, or if you're an Apple user, Apple A. And that, once you click on the slide, will select everything. Or the other thing you can do is just take your cursor, start at the top corner, click and hold and drag, and you'll see a gray sort of rectangle going all over everything. Everything's selected, and just click delete. Either way works. We've started with a blank slide. Now the next thing we want to do is insert our picture to be edited. So we'll go to Insert, Picture. Not hard so far, is it? We'll go to Desktop, find the picture we want, and click Insert. Now what I want to do with this picture is I want to add other images to it. So I want to insert more pictures, so I go to the Insert ribbon again, but this time I want to create some custom shapes in PowerPoint. So I'm going to select Shapes, and then I get a whole bunch of different options for shapes. So I'll start off with just a circle. We'll go ahead and click on the circle. We'll put it in the middle there and let it go. Now if I want to make it bigger, I can click like that. If I want to make it smaller, I just click on one of the little dots and move it inwards. So have an experiment with that. Smaller, bigger, bigger, smaller. Then once you get it just the way you want it, if you want a circle and you want to be perfect, you can set your heights up here so that you get a perfectly round one if you're like me and can't draw a round shape. You can also change the color by going making sure that your circle is selected, and you can tell it's selected because all the little small handles show up around the image, and then go up to Shape Styles in the ribbon and you can choose colors there. Now those are the set colors for this particular PowerPoint template, and if you don't like any of those, then you can go up to Shape Fill and you can select colors from there and shape outline, and you can do an outline to it, knock yourself out. So we'll do that again. We'll go to Insert, Shapes, select a shape, and we'll try a triangle this time. Pull the triangle. There's as big as we want it. We can insert another shape. We'll go with an arrow this time. And again, you drag your cursor once you click Insert. So the process is click Insert, Shapes, pick your shape, click your cursor about where you want the top top left-hand corner of the shape to go. Drag and release. Then you can color it, resize it, twist it around, whatever you want to do with it. Now, once you're finished with all your edits and you want to save all of this as a picture, you want to select everything and group it. So again, we can use Control A on a standard PC keyboard, or Apple A, or we can take our cursor at the top left-hand side, drag all the way down till we see that gray square, and everything's selected. Then right-click on one of the elements, click Group, and Group. And now everything is saved as a group. If I undo that for a moment and show you, before we group things, they're just 4 separate images on the page here. Once we select everything, right click and group, it becomes one picture. So to get this out of PowerPoint and save it as a picture, all we do is right click and select Save as Picture. Told you this is easy. Pick the folder you want to save it to, give it a name, and click Save. And really, that's all there is to using PowerPoint as a very basic sort of image editor. I hope this was helpful.